Hello, YouTube. Here's a little video from your friendly handyman. Easy change the outlet. This one's old. And you wrap the screws around there. The white screws. Gold is the black screws, and then the green is the ground. I'll teach you how to take the old one off and put the new one. First you take out the plate. If you like videos like this, like and subscribe. And I'll be showing you other home improvements, how to change things. This is the video disclaimer. Make sure the power is shut off. I already shut off the breaker. You just unscrew the screw, just like that. Now do the bottom one. Unscrew it, unscrew it, unscrew it, unscrew it until it comes off. These were just poked in, but first you want to take off the ground wire. Use your flathead screwdriver. Most of the time it's flat. This is an old outlet, so it's had better days. And just like that. Then I like to organize them with the wires together. And once they're in the sleeve together, back. This one's a home one, like a junction box, and it feeds everyone. There's a whole bunch of wires. I'm gonna start with the ground wire. You just grab the tip of it and then twist it just like that. Use the tip of your needle nose. This bottom one I'm going to leave. I'm going to just stab that one in drawer it. I do like to use these shepherd hook. They have a better connection, but this thing only puts two wires, so I'm going to have to stab the other one. Stab this means they have a hole where you can push it in. Most of the time it's two wires, but since this is a home run outlet, home run means it comes from the breaker box right here. Then it feeds to other outlets or light switches. That's what you call a home run, or they call them junction boxes too. Okay, so I'll first do the ground, the white. I'm going to stab it in. Grab those and just push it in all the way. And the other one all the way. It is this that right here. You just push it in. Those are the shank, and then the wire goes straight in, it stops, and then it holds. You can't pull it out. But most electricians don't like to use them. I try to do what the electricians do, so because electricity is kind of like off and on, and it comes loose after a while. And then you just get your hook, your shepherd's hook. It's just like a fish hook, and it just grabs around the screw, and you just tighten it. Same side, same principle for the other side. The black is on the gold, the white is on the silver screws. Just keep the way you took it off, the way you want to put it back. And then I just kind of organize these wires to fit in, and then make sure that nothing's touching. I like to use a drill. It's a lot faster than trying to use a screwdriver. You have more control. Screwing it. And that's how you replace the outlet. I'll put this back. Get in there, get in there. And then put it there. Put the outlet cover back on. Just like that. And that is the way you replace outlet. So if one's loose at your house, and you want to replace it, or you just want to upgrade it, that's how you do it. You heard it here from your friendly handyman. Like and subscribe if you like videos like this. Thank you.